In the early afternoon, we left Desert Springs and took off for Palm Springs. Peter's friend Robert was riding the Baja with us, but he wasn't due for another couple of days. The wind farms outside of town are on an American scale, just enormous. It's interesting to see the line where cultivation starts in the middle of the desert. In Palm Springs, we did some last-minute shopping while we were waiting for Robert to arrive from Honolulu. Peter's fixing his bike, so I'm going to the Air Force Museum. They got all kinds of planes from the Second World War and the Korean War. So come on and let's have a look. I'm also having my usual bad hair day, but that's alright.
We restored it. The Navy still owns it, but we can keep it as long as we want because it's of our restoration. And there's an SBD dive bomber and flown by into the water by a gentleman I know named of Roy Sorensen. And you got a picture of him here. It's for training, because each naval aviator has to land at least 6 times on a carrier before they get their wings. And he came back when we were restoring it. He survived the war and survived this crash landing into Lake Michigan. And so we put his name on the side of the aircraft. He said he'd rather have his name on something other than being recognized as someone who ran out of gas.
How we subdued Germany. This is they would put up to 800 of these in there at one time.
This is a perfect day
You see that instrument right up there? It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, I can see it.
But that's a bomb aiming device.
Uh-huh.
So he would fly the airplane, drop the bomb. That's the bomb aiming here.
I love it. I'm not crazy about being outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it's
That's pretty cramped.
of course, it's the B-17 Flying Fortress. It's called Flying Fortress because it has 13 50 caliber machine guns. They're all 50. It has a crew of 10.
Throughout March of 1945, the American Navy closed in on Okinawa, 350 miles from Japan.
With Okinawa in our hands, we could control the China coast, send swarms of planes to smother Japan. We were reaching for the throat of an empire. The risk must be taken.
170,000 American combat troops head toward shore, relatively unopposed.
Saigon.
63 and 4.
Huh?
63 and 4.
This is the Palm Springs Air Museum Library, and we have about 80,000 publications here. And we also have in the back a room to interview a lot of the pilots and some of the old seniors, and we do. These are 10 simulators here that we'll probably get you up on one of them.
Okay, I'd like to try. Yes.
First of all, hit control period. Lock your brakes. Okay. All right. Now, hit P. Take it off the pause. Your brakes are still locked. Bring it up to 30 inches of manifold pressure. Okay. Release your brakes by clicking the trigger. Add full power. Don't have to push it that hard. Easy. Just 8 flying speeds. So go 10, 5, 5.